In this video tutorial, we will show you how to make PowerPoint text appear on click. Launch PowerPoint. Create the label you want to animate. For example, use the Word Art button from the Insert tab. Click on the Animations tab. Select the label with the left mouse button and open the Add Animation drop-down menu from the toolbar. To check the animation, hover the cursor over the relevant icons. Select the appropriate animation by clicking on the icon. Select from the Start drop-down menu the On Click option. Set the duration time and the delay if necessary. Click in the Slideshow tab the button From Beginning and check the result. Leave comments and send your questions to our email. This was a HowTech TV tutorial. Thank you for watching.